You know that without the unique differences between plant and animal cells, life as we all know it wouldn't exist. Plants rely on their cells to harness energy from sun, while animal cells are built for flexibility and movement. These tiny microscopic differences make all the difference in world. But what exactly sets them apart? Let's dive in. As we all know, plant cells as well as animal cells both are eukaryotes, which means they have well defined nucleus as well as they have membrane bound organelles. Plus, they have the protein synthesis machinery, which is ATS ribosomes. So, what comes the difference? First, let's see the similarities. As we can see in the plant cell as well as animal cells, they both are having a very well defined nucleus. Nucleus is the one which contains genetic information such as DNA. Because of this only, we have a very similarity between our parents and the offspring. Secondly, they contain the membrane bound organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, lysosome, etc. Also, the plant cells are large compared to animal cells. So now let's see what are the major differences between them. Starting with first difference, which is a cell wall. Cell wall is present in a plant cell, but the animal cell lacks it. Plant cells have it, making them more rigid, while animal cells lack it, making them more fragile. Plant cell wall is mainly made up of cellulose and it protects the cell. Secondly comes the vacuole. Vacuoles are present in animal cells as well as in plant cells, but plant cells have a larger vacuole which almost covers 90% of the plant cell volume, while animal cells have small and more number of vacuoles. These vacuoles store water, nutrients and waste and also helps maintain turgor pressure. Can you tell me the membrane of vacuole is known as what in the comment section below? Next, this is a chloroplast. Chloroplast is a double membrane organelle. It contains stroma, thylakoid and lamella. This helps in the process of photosynthesis. Plant cells have this chloroplast while animal cells lack it. And because of this chloroplast, plant cells are able to make their own food, which is why they have a autotrophic nutrition, while animal cells lack this and therefore they have a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Next is centrioles. These are present in the animal cells while plant cells lack them. So these centrioles help in the process of cell division. They help in the formation of spindle fiber on which our chromosomes gets attached in the later phases of cell cycle, whereas plant cells lack these centrioles, but they have other mechanisms to organize themselves in the cell division. So in conclusion, we can say that plant cells have a cell wall, therefore they have some rigid structure which is majorly rectangular or square, while animal cells lack it and therefore they have a flexible structure. Secondly, plant cells have chloroplast, therefore they can make their own food as chloroplast help in the process of photosynthesis, and therefore plant cells are autotrophic while animal cells are heterotrophic. Third comes a larger central vacuole present in the plant cell while animal cells have a smaller vacuole. Also, animal cells have centrioles which help in the formation of spindle fiber during cell division, which plant cells lack. So in conclusion, we can say there are a lot of similarities in plant cell as well as animal cells, such as cell membrane, ribosome, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, vacuoles, mitochondria, cytoskeleton. But still, in animal cells, centrioles are present in extra, while plant cells have cell wall and chloroplast in excess. So these were the major differences and similarities between them. For more, do subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.